What's up, Glam Squad? It's your girl Franny back with Love It Listed, and today I'm checking out latest beauty trends. I think today my nails do need some love, so here we are at the ultimate spot for nails, lashes, and all things glam. Ready? Let's go! This place is not just about nails and lashes. They have some seriously unique beauty treatments too. Think microblading, eyelash lifts, lip coloration, even BB glow facials. Basically, the best in permanent makeup services. तो बेसिकली अभी आपके हिसाब से नेल ट्रेंड्स में कौन सा बहुत अच्छा है जो हमें करना चाहिए?
ये मैम कैट आई चल रही है।
कैट आई।
लाइट क्रोम फ्रेंच नेल आर्ट।
मेरे को आज मेरी ड्रेस से मैचिंग रेड ब्लैक में दिखाना है। मैं आपको अपने फ़ोन पे दिखा देती हूँ। ऐसा
ओके ब्लैक में
ये ऐसा बन जाएगा एग्जैक्ट। ठीक है। Hi. Hello. I just got nails done from yours. Do you like them?
Oh, they look really lovely. So do you like the service?
I love it. I love it.
What was the thing that you loved about it? The
It was
most?
very neat, and I really liked how it was not very bulky.
Yeah.
It looked like nails but better. So that was my favorite part.
The color is really nice, like proper winter color.
Yes, just matched with my outfit.
Yeah.
Extended my outfit.
Very nice. We are into nails, of course. So nail art and all kind of nail services, manicure, pedicure. I think now nails have just become like wax. You're getting a waxing done, right? Now it's like a regular regime. Everybody is getting their nails done because now it's a part of your outfit. I don't feel properly dressed when I'm not I don't have freshly done up nails. So it adds to your personality, and plus you feel very confident when your nails done because your hand always moves, right, when you talk. So I think this is just like you're wearing an outfit.
Lashes and brows shape your face, define your features, and elevate your overall look. Subtle or bold, they make all the difference. These permanent makeup services are perfect if you're all about that effortless glam. No filters needed.
Eyelashes. Then we are also into permanent makeup. आजकल आपने देखा होगा microblading, lip coloration. So we are also BB glow. So they are the new services we have just introduced. It's been 1.5, 2 years.
Surprisingly, this place has a nail art academy too. Let's know more about it.
Academy I started out of a need, like we need stuff. But then after 6 years of being into business, then you realize you also wants to get some purpose in life, right? You want to bring a change, you want to do something for the society, right? So I realized why not to help other students, other people who are not able to afford the fees. So we used to get some kids who used to say that we cannot afford, तो हम उनको discounted price पे देना हम लोगों ने start किया. Then we thought कि और भी बहुत गरीब बच्चे होते हैं जो जैसे कोई मेरे मेट के बच्चे थे, वो लोग नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं फीस. Then we realized, okay, let's start giving them free accommodation and they'll do a course and then we will put them in our own salons. So we came up with an idea that let's start getting associated with different NGOs. So we traveled to Dharamshala, we traveled to other places, we did a class with them, they started sending the students. Again, they were very happy and also they're very happy to work outside also.
Sometimes these services can backbite too. So what are the precautions for nail extensions?
First thing I would say, when you're getting the nails done from Nail Rituals, it's like the quality is very good. Like it easily lasts for 20 to 25 days. But there are few aftercare that you have to and you should use. जब भी आप कुछ wash कर रहे हो तो you have to wear gloves because पानी अंदर जाता है and then it can spoil your nails. So you wear your gloves, you put cuticle oil daily, always. You keep moisturizing it. So these are little things that you really need to take care.
Okay fam, nails gorgeous and those permanent makeup services mind-blowing. This spot is a must for anyone looking to treat themselves. Catch you next time on Love It Listed. Stay glam, stay perfect.